Intention and Sincerity 9. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the different life aims and goals of people, and how they worked in order to achieve them. It is important for Muslims to understand a key concept in Islam. Namely, there is nothing wrong with desiring lawful worldly things from Allah, the Exalted, but it is best to avoid worshipping and obeying Allah, the Exalted, in order to obtain them. This is because these types of Muslims often only worship Allah, the Exalted, and inhabit the mosques when they desire worldly things. But if they do not receive them, they become impatient and fed up, which causes them to stop obeying Allah, the Exalted. Or if they obtain them, then the joy of them often makes them turn away from the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, as they achieved what they desired, and therefore do not need to obey Allah, the Exalted, anymore. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 83.
When we grant people our favors, they turn away, acting arrogantly. But when touched with evil, they lose all hope.
These Muslims worship Allah, the Exalted, meaning they obey Allah, the Exalted, only when it suits their desires. And because of this attitude, they are in danger of becoming misguided. Chapter 22 Al-Hajj, verse 11.
And of the people is he who worships Allah on an edge. If he is touched by good, he is reassured by it, but if he is struck by trial, he turns on his face. He has lost this world and the hereafter. That is what is the manifest loss.
These Muslims may claim that they are worshipping Allah, the Exalted, but in reality, they are only worshipping their own desires and the gifts and blessings they receive. It is praiseworthy to worship Allah, the Exalted, in order to obtain religious blessings, such as paradise, as this has been recommended by Islamic teachings. But it is far superior to worship Allah, the Exalted, as He is the only one worthy of it, and because the creation are His servants. If a Muslim must desire gifts and blessings, then it is best to aim for religious blessings, as aiming for worldly blessings can shift a person's intention so that they end up worshipping the gift instead of the giver.